Brinx first day. Just picking up the little puppy. Blue Pit Bull Brinksy. What'd you do, Brinx?
Oh no. He's so cute.
His first day out of his home. Gonna take him home.
Cute. Oh my gosh. Oh, he's cute. Oh, he's so cute. I just want to squeeze him. He's so cute.
Come here, buddy. Come here, buddy.
Oh, look at
yeah.
him.
Oh, he is freaking awesome.
Yeah, you're such a good boy.
Look at his little walk. That was adorable. Alright.
You should.
Come on, fool.
Get him, Jay. Nah,
For a second.
he's not gonna pee. Oh, he's going for his first ride.
Also do great. Yeah.
We'll come back, we'll see the puppy.
Don't bite my finger.
He is so pretty.
He's so pretty.
You look. Aww. Jason, come see him.
Oh! Got Brinx
Go check out the
playing with Wolf Girl.
He's so goofy when you're rookie. I think he likes my white socks.
he does. Watch. Oh, he's got Jada's
Hey.
pants. Nobody.
Hey, no, don't do that.
Don't do that. Okay.
There'll be more videos to.
You're that little tail.
See the little white tip on it?
Not yet. He hasn't stopped wagging it. I'm glad she feels proper. or anything like that.
No, they don't have tails. They be pit bulls. They do the ears. Only Rottweilers do the tail problem. It looks really awesome when it's done right,
It does.
but I wouldn't do it to. The only way I would ever do it is if his ears stood up like a German Shepherd, because I would not like that at all.
That's yours how they used to crisscross.
Yeah, that's what
Dork.
my mom said. He looks retarded. Mom,
And if he had those
That's how they all
ears
do.
so long, and then one would just stand was still like, it just like.
Grandma said it all under her breath. He looks retarded.
A roommate would mind if you.
Now I'm checking out the new puppy. Catching some Z's after playing with Wolf Girl.
She asked her instead of just.
Wolf Girl might be catching some Z's soon. He's pooped after his first day of playing.
So cute.
Plenty more playing to come.
Jason, do you see yourself staying at Ferrum next year?
Look at him.
He's so cute.
It's kind of growing on him, I think.
Brinx the puppy.
I like a lot of
Brinx the puppy
Yeah.
Made a bunch of friends already.
with his new
Because they're
BFF.
not high maintenance sound.
George,